Say you're analyzing the deliveries of flowers at the florist/bike shop pedal to the pedal. The weight distribution of packages of flower deliveries is normal with mean value 3.1 pounds and a standard deviation of 1.2 pounds. The owner wishes to establish a weight value C beyond which there will be a surcharge. What value of C is such that 90% of all parcels are at least 0.2 pounds under the surcharge weight? Okay, so we've got a normally distributed random variable y, and that is the weight of flower deliveries in pounds. Okay, and we know that y is normally distributed with mean 3.1 and standard deviation 1.2 pounds. And we want to do this. We want to say, and this is kind of a tricky problem, we want to say that we need to pick up a value C such that 90% of all of those deliveries are at least 0.2 pounds under the surcharge weight. Okay? So here's a value C, and underneath that value C, we need to make sure that 90% of all deliveries are at least 0.2 pounds under this weight. Okay? So under this weight here, we want 90% of observations to fall. Okay? So what should this be? This is C minus 0.2 right here. This value, C minus 0.2. Well, we need to convert this to a standard normal distribution. Okay, we need to find a value Z such that the area underneath Z is 0.9. Okay, so we know, here's 0, we know this area is 0.5. So we need this area to be 0.4. Okay, so here's Z, here's 0, here's a little value of Z. We want this area to be 0.4. So we need to go look at the intersections to find a probability that's close to 0.4. Okay? If we do that, we will find something close to 0.4 at Z equals 1.28. Okay? So we need to convert then this value to something on the y-axis to give us this value of C. Okay, so we use the z-score. Z equals y minus mu over sigma. Okay, we know the value of Z. That's 1.28. We need this value of y right here. That is C minus 0.2. Subtract from that our mean, 3.1, and divide by standard deviation 1.2. Okay, so now we just have to solve this for C. That gives us a value of C of 4.836 pounds. Okay, so what that says is that here's a surcharge value here. If a delivery weighs more than 4.836 pounds, we're going to charge a surcharge. And that was derived by saying 0.2 pounds below this lie 90% of our packages. Okay? 90% of our deliveries from this florist are 0.2 pounds less than 4.836. Okay? 4.836. So that's going to give us this value of the surcharge if that's how we're defining how we want that surcharge to be found. Okay? Again, the surcharge, 0.2 less than the surcharge lies 90% of our flower deliveries.